Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you like this look, make sure to stay tuned. This is the face primer I use most of the time. I don't know if face primer really does anything, but I use it anyway. Batman? What is it, bud? Yeah? Sorry guys, that's one of my cats. I have 3 cats. You've seen 2 in my videos. The one I was just talking to, you haven't seen him in any of the videos yet. Anyway, back to the makeup. So you put on some cover up, like little dots to like hide some redness or like some pimples. It doesn't like completely hide it, but like it helps to like dull the it just being right in your face. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so putting on, rub it in, blend it, I guess. Blend it. That's a makeup word people use, blending. Oh, this is a foundation I use. Just blend that in. Gonna dab, dab, dab. Dab, dab, dab. Dab, dab, dab. Dab, dab, dab. Again, the boring part of the video. If you want to skip, just go right ahead. Skip to the eyeshadow part. This part is always boring. But put it in anyway to make the video longer. Then the Tarte concealer. Yeah. I'm really sorry about the camera angle, by the way. But the camera angle, I didn't realize like it wasn't showing my face until like after I just saw this video just now and was editing it also. So I do apologize. When I do the eyeshadow, I do get like closer and like it kind of gets fixed a little bit so you can see it. I'm just to let y'all know my eyes are not that blue in person. Like, I don't know how they look that blue in the videos. And then this is the setting powder. Yeah, put that where you put the concealer. Yeah. And now we're on to the, what's it called? Bronzer. We're on to that next. Yeah. I decided to not use the contour stuff because I wanted to see if like it looked any different at all if I put like concealer or not. And to me, honestly, it doesn't look any different. So I think I'm just gonna do bronzer from now on. And so just take off the setting powder stuff. And then do your blush. I don't know if I'm putting blush on correctly, honestly. Highlighter. I love highlighter. It's my favorite part about the makeup. I want to glow greater than the gods. And then I really like that color from the palette of highlighters. I think it looks the most like bright. And then my cats. Oh my god. Okay, so they've stopped. Anyway, back to the video. So now we're putting on the eyeshadow. We're gonna pick that orange color and just like blend it all there. And then that brush and that color. And then you're gonna just put that like on your eyelids. This eyeshadow was inspired by like another look, and it doesn't look anything like the look, so I'm not even gonna put the photo up. Like, I honestly don't know where I was going with this, trying to make it look any similar at all. But I guess it kind of looks nice. Like, I think it looks kind of good, actually, on my level of expertise that I do not have. Anyway, back to the glitter. And then Then I honestly really love the Stila products. Like, I think their formulas are really, really good for like lipsticks and the glitter shadow stuff. I think it looks really, like, really bright and beautiful. And then take a little bit of that orange for like, I don't know for what, I just added it and I thought it looked cool. And then eyeliner, praise the Lord, this eyeliner actually ended up looking okay for my one time. I actually make it look good. Jesus. But yeah, I was so proud of myself after I put this eyeliner on. I was like, Jesus, take the wheel. Thank you. Then put on the mascara. Again, no fake eyelashes, because I have no idea how to put them on. I do apologize. Yep. Put it all over. And then still a lipstick. I love it. Absolutely love this color out of all the colors I have. Beautiful. Love it. I'm looking super good. I'll be looking super fresh. Look at them juicy lips. Okay, and then spray on me. Spray and then okay, that's the end of the video. If you like it, like the video and everything. See you in the next one. Bye.